What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to search for filters in Instagram, right? So once you're inside Instagram guys, whether you're going to create a reel or you're going to create a story, in which you need to click the plus on the bottom there in the center there, and from there you want to select your camera, right? Then on the bottom you will select a reel, or you want to scroll across and go to a story, whichever you choose. Now, once you choose it, guys, let's start with the story here. All you have to do in order to search for filters, you want to scroll across there where you have this white button. So scroll across all the way till the end until you have this search with this effects there, right? Now, once you reach there, guys, just tap on that and it will open up this section here where you can find different filters. You can find the filters by different categories, etc. But on the left hand side, guys, you will see a magnifying glass which used for searches, right? So you want to tap on that. And from here, you can search for the effect. So let's say I want to search for something that is raining. Let's type raining. You just type in that and you will find effects. And once you find that effects, guys, you can just easily go ahead and click on them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select, for example, this one here that says raining inside. And as you can see, it is showing like this is raining, right? So this is how you can do it, guys. Now, once you select it, all you have to do, guys, is just go ahead and continue to use that filter, right? You will have that filter in the end. So if I go all the way out again, then I click back all the way out, you will see that the filter is using, right? So that's how you can use the filter on your story, right? Now let me go back to home here by clicking this button. Now for the reels now, guys, all you have to do is just scroll across, go to reels. Then once you're in reels, you will not find the filters here, right? It will continue to be more filters. But in order to find the search, you want to click below the button below the music on the left hand side. That's going to take you into effects, and from here you will find the same magnifying glass towards the left hand side. So you want to tap on that and it will open up the search. So let's type something like sunny this time. You will see that you have quite a lot of sunny filters here, so you can search for whatever you want, and all you have to do again is just simply go ahead and tap on the one that you want, and as you can see that it is now enabled. And that's how you use it, guys. All you have to do is just simply click out again, and that's how you will have the filter enabled. Now, I really hope you find this useful, guys. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a like, hit the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial like this one. And thank you for watching, guys.